Poppy, you're happy to be going away now? Going in the van? Going in the van, aren't you? Couple of days, getting everything ready. You got all your stuff? Good. Right, we're going away in a couple of days, aren't we? So we're just trying to get sort of the van things sorted because
we took most things out, didn't we?
Yeah, we took a lot of things out. So we're trying to put like food and the awning and Poppy's food in there. Right. So what we've got is a little checklist, isn't it?
Yeah, I've got it in categories. Something I did it years ago, didn't we?
Yeah.
For our first motorhome. Just sort of added to it.
So we're just going to go through a checklist and make sure we've got some of the things in the motorhome category, I suppose. Isn't it?
Yeah, vehicle equipment I've got a category for.
So go on then, I'm not going to film all of this. But
No, just a few examples. Have you got your emergency bulb and fuse kit?
Yeah, they're up there somewhere, I think. Yeah, bulb and fuses.
Okay, have you got your funnel?
That's in the back there. Yeah.
I've got something on here called Malenko grip mats.
Yeah, the things so you don't skid on grass.
So you've got those?
Yeah, they're always in here. I never took them out. Yeah, so I've got sort of under there. I've got I don't know why I'm taking the barbecue because we haven't got an outside barbecue point at the moment. But yeah, it's in there.
It's in there in your blue box.
In my blue box.
Okay.
That never came out, so.
No. Have you got a set of jump leads?
Yeah. Are we going to do? Yeah, we're going to do all of it.
Go down the bottom.
Yeah. Okay.
You've got your silver screen.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Silver screen.
You've got your warning triangle. In this section, have you got your WD-40? We've got the toilet, haven't we?
You can't forget the toilet.
We've forgotten the toilet once. Do you remember that classic?
Oh, you forgot the cassette, didn't we?
We forgot the cassette.
Yeah, well I haven't taken it out.
We went to Cambridge, didn't we? It was just up the road and we had to come round and get it again.
Yeah, nice.
So you've got the toilet.
Well, you can check that, can't you, if you just open the toilet?
Yeah, but we obviously didn't that day, did we?
If you open the toilet and you just see sort of empty space down there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, boss. Move on.
So move on from that one. Toilet chemicals, yeah.
Yeah. The site we're going to has a septic tank, and they ask that you use the friendly fluid, as it were, not the harsh blue. So we're going to use some Thetford green. It's to do with the septic tanks. They tell you they recommend, I think, blue bio.
I couldn't get any of that.
You couldn't get any of that, but we've got some Thetford green.
Right, we've got toilet rolls.
Yeah, I've got 2 spare ones.
That would be a collapse.
Yeah, I've got a collapsed waste pipe. That's in the belly locker.
And my last important thing under habitation equipment is I've got wine glasses.
Yeah. Yeah, they're wrapped up here in there.
That's more or less it, apart from furniture polish.
Yeah, so I need some furniture polish.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we're into clothes, then we're into toiletries.
Yeah, but we normally do that on the day before.
On the day before, don't we?
Yeah. Right, it's the day before we go, and we've just had a shopping delivery. So, got absolutely rammed. Well, actually, it's not that bad, but it's a pretty busy fridge. And that cupboard that contains all the plates is full of, well, snacks and things really. We've got some rolls that you can bake in the oven, so they'll keep in there. some more rolls there, and some bananas and crisps and things like that. Under here I've got mainly tins and dried food in this box here, so that's like 3 deep in tins and what have you. So that's mainly, we're trying to take as much food as we can with us, so we don't have to go to the supermarket too often, obviously. Alright, we've packed the clothes. I think we've got enough clothes for about 15 days. Hopefully we won't have to do any washing then. Just take t-shirts normally, don't take anything particularly wonderful. We're not going to a ball or anything. Yeah, so under here, just to show you this blue box in here, got the stands for the back, the steadies if you like, got jump leads, I've got a storm strap for the canopy, I've got a collapsible bowl, now I've got that in there, got some waterproofs, another collapsible bowl, I can go on top there. Got my aqua roll and rucksack and more waterproofs. Yeah, so in this big locker, got obviously toiletry stuff in there, the greens and other gloves and stuff, and I can't really see it all, but funnel and the other chemicals. Oztent chairs fit quite nicely in there. Yeah, things like compressors in there, tank cleaning stuff, that sort of stuff. That just fits in quite nicely in there. Yeah, in there, got my collapsed waste pipes, got the water pump and the hose pipe for filling up, my little Hios cap, so all that's nicely tucked in there. Yeah, so in here I've got my this picture's taken sign. Got a loader cable for hooking up to any TV points, my electric cable, Poppy's ground post, and boxes of screws and things like that in there, and a spare diesel can. I haven't got any diesel in it, but it's in there. Also in here is the aqua roll handle as well, sort of sticking up there. So that's it. We're just about packed, ready to go. Tomorrow when we set off, all we should need to do is get Poppy's stuff in here, cameras and that sort of thing, you know, wallets and those sort of valuables. Don't tend to leave valuables overnight, and then we're ready to go. So getting quite excited. It's only now basically one night to go. Wish we were actually going now. So we're getting there, Pops. We're nearly packed. It just leaves your stuff to put away, really. We ticked off our list. Some extra things that we haven't got on our list, I suppose. Yeah, that's a bit hopeful, isn't it? Sun cream. Yeah, so just looking at our list. Pops, quiet. Trying to concentrate here, please. Yeah, so we've got Poppy's stuff. We've got sort of the Pops. Yeah, we've got Poppy stuff. We've got food and drink, the stuff that we're going to use today. Coat. We're going to take coats and glasses. Toiletries, obviously, because we'll use those tomorrow morning. And things like cameras and driving licence and that sort of stuff. So that's all we've got left to pack. It's not a lot, is it?
No.
So I hope you found this useful. Maybe a bit boring, I don't know, but gives you an idea of what we do when we're packing ready to go away. And it's been a bit more complicated, obviously, because we've had things that we've taken out of the motorhome and been using indoors. We don't normally do that, sort of leave it almost ready to go, short of putting a few clothes in there. So if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, remember to subscribe, and we'll catch up with you on the next one.
So then, very essential for when you do the washing up.
Yeah.
We've got washing up liquid and a sponge.
Not sure we have. No, it would have been there, wouldn't it? Oh yes, we have. There we are. Not a huge amount.